In DTF printing, some issue is mentioned quite often: powder flying. During the powder shaking stage, some powder particles may scatter into the air. Some powder lands on nearby surfaces. Some sticks to machine parts, and sometimes powder coverage on the print may look uneven. This situation is commonly described as powder flying in DTF printing. When this happens, many operators immediately check the environment. Is the room too dry? Is the humidity too low? Is the air circulation affecting the powder stage? Environmental conditions can indeed influence how powder behaves during printing. However, powder flying is usually not caused by a single factor. In most printing environments, powder behavior is influenced by several interacting elements: environment, powder properties, and the surface condition during printing. These factors work together during the powder application stage. Because DTF adhesive powder contains very small particles, even small changes in the system may influence how powder moves or settles on the film. During printing and handling, materials move through the printer may accumulate the small electrical charges. This is a normal physical phenomenon known as static interaction. It can occur when surfaces move across rolls, belts, or other materials. When static charge is present, fine powder particles may respond slightly to the surrounding electrostatic field. Instead of falling directly downward, some particles may move differently during the shaking stage. DTF adhesive powder is designed with fine particle sizes. Some particles can be less than 100 microns. At this scale, small electrostatic force may influence how particles move through the air. This does not necessarily create a printing defect, but under certain combination of conditions, it may contribute to powder scattering or unstable powder movement. When powder flying appears, several elements may interact together: environmental humidity, powder particle behavior, and the surface interaction during printing. Because these factors work together, the same powder may behave differently in different printing environments. For this reason, powder flying in DTF printing is usually best understood as a system interaction rather than the result of a single cause. Understanding these interactions helps explain why powder behavior may vary between different setups. In the next discussion, we will look at another related observation: why some DTF films seem to attract more dust during handling and printing.